we saw the universe die. We excite a fate of entropy. But what if the end was just a border? Boundary of reality itself. The shards fly outwards, forming a massive, shifting helix structure. If reality is infinite, then everything is possible. The surface of existence.
A concept that transcends physics and philosophy.
Physicist Max Tegmark divides this infinite expanse into 4 levels. Level 1 is the simplest and most accessible. Simply put, there is more universe than we can see. What lies beyond the observable? A mirror image of everything we know. Due to the speed of light, our horizon is limited. The gray field is identical to the circle inside, showing the same distribution of matter.
The universe is flat and infinite.
At some impossible distance. There is an exact copy of you. Welcome to Azure, where the City of Lights reaches ever higher into the turquoise sky. The laws of physics are the same. We now ascend to level 2. The inflationary multiverse. Born from a continuous, chaotic expansion.
Beyond the boundaries of our perception lies the multiverse, an endless ocean of separate realities.
These 2 colossal structures are separated only by this thin, iridescent membrane.
These universes are truly separate.
With vastly different laws of physics. In one, the speed of light is infinite.
Objects fly apart and dissolve into pure, non-interacting particles.
In another, stars instantly collapse.
Collapsing stars form a massive, chaotic cluster of black holes, rapidly consuming each other.
Only a tiny fraction are capable of supporting life.
Highlighting the stark difference here, the P32 matrix remains fully energized, glowing brightly against the inactive clusters.
The constants of physics are the dials.
Good. And we are lucky enough to have the correct settings.
This is the ultimate escape route. To flee the heat death of the universe.
The superintelligence breaches the threshold, expanding into a realm of pure data and limitless potential.
Access to stream P38 has been terminated. The gateway is now sealed.
The ability to choose your own reality. Level 3 takes the infinite and brings it home. It is the result of many worlds' interpretation.
The two electrons fly in opposite directions, each creating a separate, new reality. For every quantum choice you make,
The universe splits into parallel copies.
Within these walls lie the countless stories of every life ever lived. Each book, there is a reality where you are, not you.
Where the choice was wrong.
And a reality where the choice was perfect.
these universes coexist in the same space and time.
The only thing separating us is probability. The reflection blinks, and the pond water instantly turns into a solid, shimmering barrier, the quantum divide. For the advanced mind, there is no uncertainty.
The universe is always expanding, always splitting.
Imagine the moment of creation, not once, but an infinite number of times, all colliding in the same eternal instant.
The noise of infinite creation. From the chaos, order emerged. This is the multiverse, a single. We arrive at level 4. The ultimate, mind-bending conclusion. The universe is not described by mathematics. It is mathematics.
By applying the fundamental lemma, we can resolve the singularities. This allows us to define the invariant subspace theorem more precisely.
Every mathematically consistent structure is real, including those with impossible rules. The ultimate infinity.
The fires burn out, leaving behind only the pure, clean, black pages, the essential laws.
Is the simulation hypothesis just a subset of level 4? There is a beauty in the equations, a hidden truth she now fully embraces. This is her mathematical nature.
The boundary of reality disappears. These are the symbols of our existence, rearranging now into the final, unifying equation.
Your life is an infinite set of equations.
The search for meaning is also infinite.
Sphere P77 is completed. It is so powerful it begins to distort the local laws of physics.
And every version of you must find it. Before the next universe takes over. If everything is possible, then nothing is special.
The paradox of infinite choices.
The ultimate message of the multiverse
Is that this one brief, fragile reality is the only one that truly matters to you.
the power to choose defiance over infinity.